name is Fetterman of Art Together, and I'd like to share with you a frame that I really like and highly recommend to many of my clients. If you have a lot of artwork that you want to be able to showcase, and you don't want to have to put every one of those pieces in a different frame, I recommend that you check out a line of frames from the Dynamic Frame company. So here I have two examples. This is a 12 by 12 and this is the 9 by 12. And let me show you what I think makes it just such a great product. First of all, it is very well made. This is the cherry finish. It comes black or white also. Comes with a mat. And this beautiful feature, it has a very easy way to open it, just like a cabinet. And you'll notice here that the paper is very easy to put in and out your artwork, or you can just leave it right in there. It's pressure mounted on the corners. Okay. And let's say you have let's say you don't want to take that painting out, you can put your next painting right on top, and that way it can store your artwork as well as present whatever one you want to feature. You just close that and there you go. It is all ready to put on a wall. Or if you prefer to have it sit up, there's a little stand here that you can use to there we go, I can get that in, to use also if you want that to just sit on a tabletop. That can be held vertically or horizontally as you would need. So, and for those of you who are working on the paper that I like to use, the In and Out Pages by Grumbacher, we have this edge at the top, right? And if you want to be able to put that back in this book when you're finished, here's what I suggest when you use your frame is leave those just the way they are. Put that artwork on the bottom only, okay? Leave that top showing, and voila, you are ready to present your art. Thank you to Dynamic Frames for making these beautiful, high-quality frames that are so easy to use and help us put our artwork up on the wall so quickly after we've made them. I just love your frames. And I also want to give a shout out to one of my clients, Janelle. Janelle is the survivor of a brain tumor and a stroke, and she made that painting for me, and I just treasure it. And I have it in my 12 by 12 dynamic frame. So again, check out Dynamic Frame if you're looking for a cost-effective solution to be able to easily put your artwork on the wall where you want to change out the artwork. All right, hope you have a great and beautiful day. Take care. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.